Hello everyone, I'm Sankalpa and on today's video I'm going to walk you through how I work on the pictures from starting to the end, working with lights, effects, colors, and if I like the preset I just save it. So this is just a walkthrough from what we have learned till now. So at first I always add photos from here, and then I like to add this picture this time, and add one photo, and then I click here and then I hide this sidebar and open this, and then I just work on all of these things. Starting from lights, this picture looks a bit more overexposed, so I just like to decrease the exposure in this picture so that it does not loses its objects and its clarity, and also increase the brightness for the same region so that even the details of the edges of the picture can be seen and it will be contrasted from its background. I like to move the highlights towards the right and move the shadows towards the left. And the whites in this picture is already well done. So but blacks I like to increase the blackness on this picture. This picture it already looks a bit cool tone, so I like to work on making this picture more cool tone like this. Think towards the right, vibrance towards a little bit left. You can see how the color has already changed the tone of the picture. The midtones of this picture I like to keep it around in between of this blue and the yellow. Right here it looks fine to me. But it's up to you if you like it or if you do not like it, because everyone has their own perception, everyone has their own imagination on how you want your picture to be. Let's, let's like this. Yeah, this looks fine to me. And then we are working with the textures. I really like working with the effects because it gives it plays really important role when I work with the pictures. Like textures, you can see how now everything, how the grips on the tire is changed when you increase the texture, so and the clarity as well. I like this picture to be a little bit dehaze. Oops, on the right, yeah, how now you can see how the object that is the car is so much more emphasized. Like to bring it towards the left to give a classic look to this picture. I would not like to work with green. So this is how I work when I get a picture and somebody asks me to edit that picture. And after that, I just save it here in my custom settings, and then new dimensions, full size. And if I like, I can also add a watermark and edit like yeah, pretty campus. That's all right. Yeah, and I'm just done. And then export this picture. Also, what you can do is if I then just export this picture, and if I like the preset that I worked with this picture, so that if I get a similar picture in the future with a car and then road and then trees and skies, I do not have to work with all of these. I can also just make some modifications, and that might be a little bit increasing the exposure or do some work with the color. So in that case, I would like to save this preset as well. So I go towards the right here, in user preset. Here I like write Wrangler 1 and save it. And if I get another picture, not with the Wrangler itself, but any of the picture with a car, then it will make my job easier for me. Yeah, that was the walkthrough for today. Please let me know if you liked it. Thank you and have a good one.